Hello everyone, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. I have some big news today and honestly I'm super excited to share this with you. So if you are following my social media profiles, you probably heard it earlier, but now this is the official announcement. I have just launched my own label, Lunatik Rave Recordings, and the first release of the label is gonna be this Friday, June 13th. I'm kicking off the label with This Is Ecstasy. It got early support from the medics and I can't wait to share this new sound with you guys. And as you can imagine, the first release of the label is super important for me, and that's why I really appreciate the support that you could show to the track. So you will find pre-save and pre-order links in the description. If you can afford it, just buy the track on Beatport. It's super important for the first release of the label. It could push the track into the chart and this could be very helpful for the visibility of the label. And if you cannot do that, just go pre-save the track on your Spotify. It's gonna impact the first day streams of the track, and which might get us to some editorial Spotify playlist, who knows. And even just commenting the video, spreading the word would be a good way to support the channel, support our brand new label, Lunatik Rave Recordings. And also you probably noticed that the channel's name is not Ozgun anymore, it's Ozgun/Lunatik Rave. So what does it mean? It means the channel is evolving, guys. From now on, I will be still sharing my own music and production tutorials as before, but in addition to that, I will also feature the visual and music content from the label. So all the Lunatik Rave Recordings catalog is gonna be on the channel as well. So now we are building something bigger now, and I'm so happy that you guys also be a part of this moment. So again guys, thank you for being here from the day 1 or day 100, it doesn't matter. Your support means a lot to me and our new label, Lunatik Rave Recordings. So don't forget to check the links in the description about the track and about the label. So again, your support is everything. Let's make some noise. Stay loud. Peace. See you guys. Bye bye.
No more misery. Now your mind is free. This is ecstasy.